What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today we're gonna be checking out some awesome accessories for the PlayStation 5. I've got mine right here, and as you can see, it looks a bit different than your standard one. So today we're gonna talk about some awesome stuff that you can get if you just picked up a PS5 for the holidays, or if you've had one and you just wanna shake things up a bit. Here are some awesome accessories. But before we jump into it, we gotta give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Skillshare. So for those of you who don't know, Skillshare is an online community with thousands of classes for creators. So if there was ever something you wanted to learn, this is the place to go. Whether it's editing, illustrations, or freelancing, they've probably got a class for it. Personally, I've been checking out Thomas Frank's Productivity for Creatives because even for me, I feel like there's always room for improvement when it comes to being productive and using your time in the best way possible. And it's all about learning and increasing your skills so you don't have to worry about ads. That way you can stay focused and follow wherever your creativity takes you. Skillshare classes also combine video lessons, class projects, and even hands-on feedback with a course structure that allows you to take the classes at your own pace so you can learn where you want, when you want, and however you want. You can also connect with fellow creatives and be part of a community that's all about encouragement, communication, and most importantly, inspiration. And what's great is that they've got classes for any level, whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or a master at what you're interested in. And of course, you guys know I've got the hookup. So my first 1,000 subscribers, to hit the link in the description, will be able to go ahead and get a 1-month trial of Skillshare so they can start exploring their creativity today. But now guys, let's talk about this PS5 and some of the changes that I made to it. But before we even get to that, Sony actually hooked us up. Since it is the holiday season, it's the season of giving, they hooked us up with an extra midnight wireless controller and a Pulse 3D wireless headset. These are for one of you guys. I'm gonna be giving this away over on my Instagram page, so definitely be sure to go and follow me there. Gonna be giving away actually a few things for the holidays, but Sony was cool enough to hook us up with these. But not only are we giving that away, we've also got a code for the newest Ratchet & Clank, as well as 3 months of PlayStation Plus, so you're definitely gonna wanna jump on that. So for some of you out there, you might be lucky this holiday season. We're giving that stuff away. So shout out to Sony for that. And I'll probably be giving away some stuff over on Twitter as well. So just follow me everywhere, folks. But now, look at this, guys. I don't know if you guys saw Sony's announcement of their new faceplates. This is not an official Sony faceplate. Sorry, Sony. I know yours is coming, but this is something I picked up a while ago on Amazon. Random seller, don't know who it is. Sony's gonna have their official version coming out soon, but I'm really happy with the black. I didn't think the black was a big deal. I prefer the white, but when you've got like an all black setup, you kind of want the PlayStation to match. Sony actually dropped a black one. I think they've got the cosmic red. They've got all kinds of colors, part of their galaxy theme. They look really awesome, but those will be available, I believe, next year. But if you want to get your hands on, a little something now, this is available on Amazon. I'll link the one I have down below in the description. It came with like a skin for the center, the glossy piece, but it was trash, you guys. It was so bad. They had the cutouts for the buttons and the USB ports, and they were not aligned at all. It was horrible. So forget the skin that it comes with. The plates on their own look fine enough, but this isn't officially by Sony, so you're not gonna get that nice PlayStation logo in the top left corner. You can wait, you can grab these, choice is yours. But I know you're not just noticing the black PlayStation 5, you probably see these lights that we've got going on inside as well. Now, these are just some random RGB lights that I found also on Amazon. Very inexpensive stuff, but it was super easy to install. All you do is pop off the face plates, and then you basically attach these circles with this little adhesive to the fans. But it's very easy to get those RGB lights. It has like this USB cable that sticks out in the back. You just kind of put that into the USB port in the back and you're all good to go. Now, of course, I've got it in this like light bluish color. That's my jam. We can change it around. It comes with a remote, so you can switch up the effects. You can even control how fast they go. If you want to slow it down, you guys can do that as well. It's just a nice little touch, and it's cheap. It's really cheap to just add a little pizzazz to your PS5. So I like that a lot. But yeah, if you want to make your PlayStation a little fancier, you want to add nice special effects, I think it looks really good. especially if you got like black plates. I feel like it stands out even more. Now, while we were modding this thing up, I also added an SSD inside of here. I added the Western Digital Black SSD with a heatsink. Take my word for it, guys. If you can get an SSD with the heatsink already built into it, it makes life so much easier. You can just honestly open up your PS5, literally just pop in the SSD, screw it back in, screw on the cover, and you're done. Like, you get extra storage in less than like 5 minutes. So once you've got that hooked up in there, you've got the heat sink, you don't have to worry about any overheating or anything like that. You just turn on your PS5, you format it, and you immediately start seeing the benefits. For me, this PS5 has been running out of space forever. Carl downloaded like NBA 2K22. That thing was like 122 gigs, I believe, or 128 gigs. Easily just moved that over to the SSD. It took no time. I was able to get a bunch of storage back, so I was very, very happy with that. If you're running out of space and you're dealing with, you know, deleting games so that you can download other ones, if you're like all digital like I am, trust me, get an SSD. I got the 1 terabyte version. I think the 1 terabyte version was like around $250. It's expensive, but even though it's pretty expensive, you got all that extra storage and it's a fast SSD, so you'll still be able to get those PS5 quick loading times. You'll be able to play without skipping a beat. So if you're in need of expanding that storage, I think that's like one of the best options available right now. But while we're talking about like modifying and like, you know, nice, inexpensive accessories, check out some of the stuff we've got over here, right? So I found this also on Amazon, but this is also like a faceplate for the PlayStation 5 controller. You can see I've got like this nice blue here. This thing looks absolutely amazing. Like this combo, it's perfect. This looks, like I said, I love the white, but you throw a little blue on there and listen, this thing looks great. And I think it's really, really inexpensive. And you don't have to do any crazy modifications. It's actually really easy to just pluck out the bottom piece here and throw this in. Very, very simple stuff. And you've got like this awesome, awesome look for your controllers. Now, they also have the midnight controllers. When you got the blue lights going too, guys, come on now. So if you go ahead and you pick up the new black controller, you can go ahead and add on these nice little plates. They look really good. They're really cheap and really easy to install. So these are fun. These are really fun, easy to recommend. And this is like kind of what they look like. Very light, they just paint it looks like. So this was white, and it looks like they just paint it. But you can just throw it on. Like if I wanted to do a Christmas theme, boom, there you go. But they look awesome. The DualSense controllers are very, very nice. They're very comfortable. And you know, if you're gonna spend some time on your system, you might as well have it look the way you want. Sony did a really good job designing these, but you know, you throw a little bit of your own flair to it, and it's a good time. It's a good time. Now, I've also been using these a lot. These are the Pulse 3D wireless headsets. Now, this is the midnight version. You guys know Sony just dropped these. They didn't drop any new colors besides this. So like the faceplates and the new controllers that are gonna be coming out, I don't think they did anything else with the headset yet, but the black looks clean. And this is like one of the easiest headsets to pair up with your PS5 since you plug in the dongle, you throw these on, and boom, you start using it right away. Sounds good. You've got all the controls that you need right here on the left ear cup. I personally like these a lot when I'm playing my PlayStation 5. But let's say you don't want to spend, I don't know, the $100 that these cost, which is not a bad price at all. There's always this guy too. I've always been a fan of the Astro A10s. I picked up this version that kind of matches the PlayStation 5. We got the white and we've got the blue. Oh dang, Jay, it doesn't even match anymore. What have we done?
Oh, no.
But yeah, this does match the PS5 in case you don't want to modify it. Now, I like this as like a gift for someone younger because check it out, you guys.
Oh,
yeah, this thing can bend. I'm telling you, these are durable. So you don't have to worry about them breaking. These are a very solid pair of headphones. But yeah, I like these a lot. You've got a nice boom mic over here, adjustable. These are one of my favorite headsets to recommend, especially if you don't want to spend a lot of money. These probably cost like $60 or so. and they're solid. Very comfortable. The way they sit on the ears are nice. They're over ear. They got nice plush cushions. And not to mention, you've got your little control here so you can control your volume. And I believe you could also, no, you mute right on the controller. So boom, there you go. But that about wraps it up, guys. I just wanted to really quickly show you some things that I've been enjoying with the PS5, especially since, you know, I feel like it's all customized and fancy now, from the controllers to the actual system. We've got a nice little setup going. But till the next video, guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure you're following me on social media because for the holiday season, your boy Judd is going to be giving away quite a bit of stuff. So definitely be on the lookout for that stuff. Happy holidays. I'll probably catch you guys sometime next year. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.
Peace.